Wikino Chivayo has said he will not be intimidated or removed by threats from failed politicians in what appears to be a response to VP Constantino Chiwenga. Sanamira masvikati unooneka kuti aiwa vana Chivayo vochizoreplya panhau aiwa yakataurwa muspeech awana General Chiwenga yezvigananda nevakomana vari corrupt. Kuti wasubscribe like what on the bell icon. Time panapa mupindula news wamudanyora chiti Chiwenga, who is acting in Mnangagwa's absence on leave, recently warned corrupt individuals within the ruling ZANU-PF party, accusing them of enriching themselves through ill-gotten gains. In his speech, Chiwenga referenced individuals who, during the liberation struggle, were known as Zvigananda, a term used to describe people who had gained both through dishonest means. Some interpreted this as a thinly veiled reference to Chivayo, who has been accused of amassing large sums of inflated state tenders. In a statement posted on the social media pages on Wednesday, Chivayo responded, declaring that he would not be moved by nor shaken by any veiled threats from failed politicians, he wrote. In the same statement, Chivayo also denied any involvement in a letter allegedly written by him, which he reportedly requested local banks to permit him to withdraw up to $20 million per month for various transactions. In 2005, Chivayo was convicted of money laundering. He received a 5-year prison sentence with 2 years suspended. The case involved 837,000 rands, which was part of the proceeds of a crime. Thomas Kwanguda panapa atuna kuti aiwa Chivayo achiramba tsamba dzakavherifiwa nevakomana the news house uye achiti aiwa inini handipotsi mashure nevakomana vefield politics avana Chiwenga. Mashoko atinoti anoreplya kunyange zvake ari allegations ekuti mukomana uyu mukomana wematenders ari fraudulent anouya achiramba nhau dzese zipinda comment section vedu mudzi mafungiro enyu. Some subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.